beautiful Saturday morning for a nice drive. I'm heading somewhere special today. You'll have to wait and see. Be sure to subscribe. So I'm in the town of Harrison right now, and apparently this place has a population of 11,000. I don't know if I believe that. It's a nice drive though. Oh yes, the home of Mr. Jason G. That's where we're at today. Oh yeah, look at that lawn. This guy's on point. Well, you can tell what time of year it is with the Halloween decorations. Pretty cool. Hey, we're excavating. Jason's putting me to work this week. You can see this major dip we've got going on here with water, kind of a negative slope towards the foundation of the house. So the goal for today is going to be to excavate around the concrete here. I'm going to try to save his turf as best I can just by digging it out so we can put the sod back over, and then we're going to try to jack up the concrete and fill in underneath it. So a lot of digging, a lot of manual labor today. Chiropractor appointment next week.
Not too long ago.
So this is how we save the sod.
Yeah.
Get yourself a square shovel. Jason's got some pretty soft soil here, so this is easy work.
You don't think you're going to put two clamps to try to raise one side?
I'm going to put this in the driveway.
Right there.
I think it'll raise
just across the front?
Yeah. That's how I've seen it though.
Yeah.
We're just kind of winging it today, and we'll see if this is bad or not when we're done.
I'm hoping, yeah, you know, like the whole
So this should save a little bit of overseeding effort when it's all done. I'll just put it right back and water it. And nice deep roots with this grass, so it should not be a problem. This hole's coming along good. Nearly there. We'll be done in no time. Then the hard work begins. You know, he's got a pretty thick lawn back here. Nice bluegrass blend. Guys, if you haven't seen Jason's channel, check him out. It's Jason G on YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description below for that. You can see his lawn and all the crazy shenanigans that happen here. This is a little perilous. Safety first, guys. Watch your hands. A lot of pinch points here. I feel like we're living dangerously with some casters on a 4x4 here, but in principle, whatever breaks last should be able to lift that concrete up with this chain on the jack here, and the whole slab should come up. We just have to dig around the front there a little bit and hopefully, well, hope for the best. Okay, go ahead and jack it up just a little bit. Let's watch it, as long as it doesn't fly in my face. See that? It's coming up from the... We're going real slow and being real careful.
Just let it sit a little while.
Yeah, it's coming up, so this is good. That's what we wanted. We've got a good sized gap in that area. So once this is actually up enough, we should be able to get some expanding foam in there and just kind of fill the space. And once that expanding foam sets, I can already see it's leveling out quite a bit, even on this side. Yeah, well, it's coming up over here now too much, so we may have to do the same over on that side, I think.
Well, what I'm thinking, actually, is we put that log here, lift it right there, and we actually dig some dirt out of this corner.
We'll lower this side here.
So we can get some boards under here. We'll actually lift the whole thing too high to start with, get a couple boards under and scrape that corner out.
Yeah, and then so we'll lower that, and then when it sits back down,
then you can mess with the other three
it'll
corners.
more or less be even in principle. If you've got an engineering degree, this probably makes more sense to you than a couple of rednecks. Yeah, I can see it's actually lowering more on this side as
Right.
you're cranking on that
Well, what
side.
I'm thinking is we jack the whole thing too high and we get some of these 4x4s under there.
Uh-huh.
We bring the whole thing up 6 inches if we have to, right?
Did we bottom out the jack?
Coulda. It's got a big gap here now,
That's good.
about 6-inch gap.
I don't want to step on this, but... Oh yeah, you can definitely get stuff under there now if we need to. Well, it's a work in progress. I don't know my own strength. I just broke this C-clamp here just by cranking on it. Oops. It's a good thing you brought a friend with a more of a half a brain than we have.
Well, I just called him what, yesterday?
Yeah.
I was like, Mike, I need your help.
We've done crazier stuff.
Oh yeah.
That's how you learn.
Mike's the perfect guy for this job.
Hold my beer, watch this.
Between a pry bar and WD-40 and duct tape, we can pretty much fix anything around here. Just scraping it out. Really, I think what we just have to do is probably drop this, maybe excavate a 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Doesn't have to be flat, but when that slab comes back down, it's gonna kind of pancake out a little bit. That should be low enough that it's not gonna have a gap on this side anymore. We'll raise that side back up over here, and then fill that in to raise it, and then drop it all back down. I think we should be okay after that. Slowly, slowly. It's going.
It's tight. It's done. It's down.
A lot of foam in that can, it looks like.
Well, we're gonna pump a bunch in here, I think. And then,
Smells good.
oh yeah, I can smell it now. Ramen. Cool.
Well, we backfilled everything and just eyeballing it. It looks pretty darn good. I gotta say, it's a job well done. Filled in the cracks with some expanding foam there, so once that all dries and everything, we'll just chisel off the top to make it look all nice and flat. Time to put the sod back.
You got a broom?
Yeah.
I think it's a job well done. I saved yard guy's grass.
My ass?
Be sure to give him a follow. Sod goes right back like nothing happened. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll fill in and spread on its own.
It'll look good from your house.
Yep. Probably patch seed it a little bit, but we won't have bare dirt.
Where's that flat shovel?
You know, I can't leave yard guy's house without mowing, so we're gonna do that next because it's kind of needing a cut, I think. I got the Toro here. Let's fire this guy up.
Don't worry, I am paying him. It's not totally free labor.
15-volt brushless trimmer. This thing's pretty cool. That one-handed. Well guys, it was a fun, productive Saturday at Jason G's house. Be sure to follow him on YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description below. We fixed this today, left some killer stripes in the lawn, try to do some single doubles. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Until next time guys, thanks for watching. This is the weirdest intersection ever. Whoever designed this, I honestly don't know. So weird and confusing.